Mastering the modal verb, must, for probability. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of modal verbs, specifically focusing on the usage of must for expressing probability. Must is a versatile and vital tool in the English language, and understanding its usage for probability can greatly enhance your language skills. So, let's get started. Must is a modal verb in English. Like other modal verbs, it's used to modify the mood of a verb, and in this context, we're using must to talk about something that is likely or probable. When we use must in this way, we're making an educated guess or drawing a logical conclusion about something. For example, you might say, "She must be really happy about her promotion, because you know she has been working hard and was looking forward to it." Must can express strong belief that something is true or probable, often based on some clear evidence or reasoning. When you say, "It must be," you're pretty confident about your prediction. For example, if it's 3 p.m., and your friend usually finishes work at 2 p.m., you might say, "He must be home by now." In this sentence, must is used to indicate that it's very likely that your friend is home. Interestingly, must is not commonly used in questions and negatives to talk about probability. Instead, we often use other modal verbs such as could, might, or may. For example, instead of saying, "Must he be home by now?" it's more common to say, "Could he be home by now?" or "Might he be home by now?" It's important to distinguish must from have to. While both can be used to express obligation, must expresses a personal belief, while have to implies an external obligation or rule. In terms of probability, have to is not used the same way as must. For instance, "She must be at the party" expresses your strong belief, based on what you know about her. On the other hand, "She has to be at the party" implies an obligation, perhaps because she is the host or has a role to play at the party. And that wraps up our exploration of using must for probability. It's a powerful modal verb that can help you express your logical deductions and strong beliefs in a nuanced way. Remember to keep practicing, as it is through practice that we become fluent and comfortable in using new language structures. Until next time, happy learning!